Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming updates. This prevents app compatibility issues. Open the primary app you want in split screen because Vivo uses that as the top pane. Then, swipe up or press the Recent Apps button to enter multitasking. You will see app cards. Tap the three-dot menu or long press the app icon. Choose Split Screen. This immediately pins the first app to one half of the display so you can pick the second app to fill the other half. Once done, select the second app from Recents or the app drawer. It drops into the remaining pane. You can move the central divider, drag up or down, to allocate space, for example one half or a larger top pane for video. Make sure to use individual app menus. Some apps support floating windows or drag and drop text and images between panes. Also use gestures. Split screen supports rotating the phone so layouts adapt. That helps when one app needs landscape orientation. To finish, drag the middle divider fully to the top or bottom to close one pane, or hit the Recent Apps control to end split screen. If you encounter crashes or unresponsive apps, force stop and reopen them. Make sure both apps are updated because older versions often break multitasking. If problems persist, reboot the phone and try safe mode to identify conflicts. Uninstall the offending app. One tip: some video apps block split screen by design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.